Socializing 62. In a long narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2616, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the foundation of good is controlling one's tongue. This makes it clear that restraining the tongue, guarding it and keeping it within the limits set by Islam is the source of all good. Therefore, whoever keeps control of their tongue has taken control of their affair. In fact, this narration concludes by declaring that speech is the main cause for people entering hell. This is supported by many other narrations, such as the one found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2314, which warns that it only takes one evil word to cause a person to plunge into hell on Judgment Day. This is because the majority of the major sins have an element of speech in them, and in most cases it is much easier to sin through one's words than their actions. When a Muslim corrects their speech, all their actions will become correct, but if they fail to do this, then they will only destroy their good deeds through their evil speech. Chapter 33 Al-Ahzab, verses 70 to 71.
O you who have believed, fear Allah and speak words of appropriate justice. He will then amend for you your deeds and forgive you your sins.
A Muslim must therefore avoid vain speech, as it is a waste of time and will therefore be a great regret for them on Judgment Day. Vain speech is also the main cause of most of the arguments, problems and difficulties a person faces in this world. Vain speech is also often the first step before evil speech, such as lying, backbiting and slander. One must also avoid all forms of evil speech, as it leads to trouble in both worlds. To conclude, a Muslim must act on the far-reaching advice given in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 176, namely, they should either speak good words or remain silent.